Mr. Sunny is just on another level, coming up with all sorts of amazing hacks, easy ways to pull off things that might be expensive otherwise, and finding ways to get things done yourself. The first, a DIY make-your-own adjustable post locking system. A small piece of pipe that'll end up inside a piece of profile pipe is cut and then a hole drilled through it. It's slotted into a spring and a metal peg is used to hold it in place. And just check this out. Adjusted and locked. And you can set as many as you like. This next DIY is a simple design for a scoring tool. This bolt cut at the end and drilled through. Now it's fitted inside of one of these long nuts. This thin metal rod is then ground down to a fine point that can scratch any metal surface. It's drawn through, and at the other end, a bolt wound in to hold it nice and tight. And just check that out. Easy to leave your mark. This is a seriously impressive use of some pipe. An easy design, again, to make your own mini forge as a heat gun extension. This ring, adjustable, will be fit around the end of your heat gun. That metal rod will be cut to size, and at the end of it, this cup will be sitting, welded into place, and the excess cut away. Feel free to clean up the rust and paint it, or not. Then add it to the end of your heat gun. And check this out. Firing up the heat gun, and you can just watch those nails melt down. And how about this one for a practical creation? A hanger for the back of the car to keep groceries from tumbling around in the back, especially if you've got something like eggs back there. It's a bent hanger and a few end nuts filled with some putty. That's a fantastic idea. And this last one is a great way to heat seal your own plastic packaging using a lighter and a coin. You can see a slim bolt fed through, and the coin just about locked in place. Enough room for it to continue to spin though. And now, tied off to a lighter. The whole thing is spun around and heated up. And once it's hot, the plastic bag laid down, the coin reheated, and just check that out. Works like a charm.